Hey everyone, so we're in the apartment now in Scarborough. Here are everything that I did up to now today. So this is day one of the Scarborough vlogs. I'm here for 2 days and then I go to a caravan for the rest of the week. So I'm going to show you my room and then shots of the rest of the apartment. And yes, I did dye my hair and it's very messy. It usually doesn't look like this, it's just now because I've been out all day. Seriously, like, this mirror is the best thing ever. And we have like pink tissues. So this is my bathroom because bedrooms. We have our own little hand sanitizer, very important. And my mum and dad's bedroom is just next door. I would show you, but they're back in, so it will be a bit messy. But it's like mine, but it has only like one bed and it has a big mirror on the wall and like a little table thing that opens up. It's pretty cool. Hey guys, so I just came out from the shop with my mum and my dad. We decided that tonight we're gonna stay here and we're gonna have tea here. We just bought some stuff to eat. Tomorrow night we're gonna go out. We don't know where we're gonna go out. There's like a few restaurants like just outside this hotel we're in, so we thought we'd just like go to one of those because they're really close. We've got all week, like we're still, even though like I'm only staying in here for 2 days, like when the caravan park we're going to isn't that far away, so we can always just come down. It's like 15-minute drive. Oh, there's a big traffic jam up there. I did bring some Wii games to play the Wii with, but they won't let us have a controller, so I did ask them, and apparently the people in the reception are going to ask the manager. This is the traffic jam I was talking about. The hill right there. Yes, I think it is. Yeah, I think it is. The view is so pretty. Oh my god. Guys, seriously, this is like the happiest I've been for a long time. It's like quarantine, but I'm happy. So, what was, I don't, yeah. Update on the Wii situation. I think we're all good now. Hey guys, so I'm in bed right now and I haven't really vlogged since I last saw you. So basically what I did was I had my dinner, I played Just Dance on the way, I watched Love Actually with my family, which is still on. I decided to get in bed because I'm really tired. But I'm excited for tomorrow. I'm excited to go shopping, and I feel like tomorrow's gonna be really fun. I can't wait to get some things for with my birthday money, because my birthday was literally like not long ago. So yeah, I'm happy and excited about that. So I guess I'll see you guys tomorrow. I really don't know. I'm really tired, so I can't really speak right now. But yeah, I love you guys, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.